Hi guys, I am Narcis. So today we are in the park. It was raining. It was a good weather, so we came to park. Look around the grass. It's so much wet, and today we came to the park because it was rain. So the temperature is now 12 centigrades. So it's very cold. I am wearing 3 shirts. This is a sweater. Inside there are 2 shirts. So today I will play and I will show you Hiba and Muhammad. Wait, I have to go because she is far away. So now I am at the swing. Look. So look guys, I am here at the top. So look the park, the view, the backside view. There are some villas, bungalows. So now I will call Hiba and Muhammad. Muhammad, can you come up? He's down, look. Okay, so now I will call Hiba. So first Muhammad came. Look, say hi. Hi. So where is Hiba? Hiba come. So he is going to tell me where is she. So we will go. Oh, so Hiba's on the swings. Look. I will show you. Look, wait. Say hi. So she is swinging and now she will come. Come Hiba. Hiba, come. Look. She will.
स्क्रीन भाई ये तो खोल लिया ना, नजर आ रहा है ना खुला, तो क्यों तोड़ रही है? अच्छा आ रहा है ना, पकड़ना आ दिया।
गाड़ी में रख के आ जाओ,
गाड़ी में
हो जा रही है वो अभी बिल्ली ना ये पीछे आती हुई आई थी प्यार बिल्ली भागी आंटी अभी भागती हुई आई थी, इतनी तेज बिल्ली आ गई थी पीछे। इतनी ठंड है ना यहाँ पे, 12 डिग्री टेम्परेचर, -12।
भाई इधर तो देखो।
guys, I am back. So I will show you a kitten. No, not a kitten, adult male cat. Look. Look. So here he is. Look, guys. So this is my sister Hadia. So now she will show you the kitten. No, not the kitten, I'm sorry. The male cat. Show it. दूर से दिखाना कैसे बैठा है ये। So yes guys, he is so friendly. Look, I'll pet him. Look, he is so friendly. But yeah, sometimes he bites. He's not biting that now, but sometimes he bites. So we found him in this park. He's so friendly to us, but yes, he bites us sometimes. So now I will call Hiba and Muhammad and we will go to the swings. Oh, a cat fight. Look there. I will show you. Wait. Look, they are running. Look, that cat, black cat. No, I know this cat. She is fighting. Look. So she is also friendly to me. So now she is not coming because she was fighting. Look guys, she is so much friendly. But right now she is a little bit scared because she was fighting. Okay. So now I will call Hiba and Muhammad and go to the swings. So look, here is another cat. But she is not friendly to us. She scratched my hand. Look. Look, she is scared. So I will call Hiba. Hiba, can you come? Come. She is coming. We will play, come. Okay, so guys, she is coming. And now I will call Muhammad. Oh, sorry guys, my parents are going back. But yes, we are not going back to the home. We are going somewhere else. So now we are leaving the park. It was a good day. It was rainfall. Look the clouds, guys. They are a little bit black. Okay guys. The car. So yes. So I will show you last time that male cat. Look how friendly is he. Look, he bited my hand. Look his face. Okay. Okay guys. So here's Muhammad. Okay, so I'll be right back.